So after cleaning the floor, that was quite a work. I didn't so much in the motorcycle. I just took out the top case that I want to use, and for my tools I did a wooden box. My wife never complained about my mess, and I want to keep it this way, so I try to organize a few things. I will show later. But I did one important thing. I went in this place, RDW, here in Amsterdam. I'm not Dutch, but I live in Netherlands, so I need one extra document. And I went in 2 different places, but it's amazing how the things works in Netherlands. I really love Netherlands, and it was very quickly, very easy. I just need to spend like a few times going to a different place. First of all, to take the information, then go to pick up the documents and bring it back. But anyway, I already have the documents. I did everything in one day. Then in the next day they sent me a letter with the card, with the document for the motorcycle, my name. So this is the top case that I took out, the support, and the top case is quite big, so I really want to use. And this is the wooden box that I did. I make some holes to put some few things. Oh fuck, my 44. Anyway, I have some tapes here. I make a hole tight, but not so tight, so I can take out this and take out the tapes, but also I can use the tapes from here, just take out. So is this, it's quite nice. I put some wheels also to be easy. And is this, I didn't finish, it's like my support from my phone. I will wait a raining day that I can't go outside, and I will make something nice here, like put some oil and sand. And I really hate sand, but I have a multi tool. Maybe I can use this to sand a little bit and make it nicer. Now it's nice, but it can be nicer.